Hi YouTube, just a quick reference one here. Currently it's turning winter in Michigan, and subsequent to that we cold weather, and I'm old and I would rather have my comfort. So my 2002 Volvo S60 currently has a error code CEM-5B as in boy 01, left hand heating element signal faulty. Left hand being driver's side on my left hand drive, and from that we have the seat heater element. You can see part number there. This is for my specific model. Your mileage will vary. But what I wanted to do is, because I had a hard time finding a reference anywhere that was useful, so I'm not going to unwrap it all, but I'm going to bring out the plug itself. 4 wires. There is a brown and black, and then 2 yellows. Well, the heating element is actually the brown and yellow, and the reason I wanted to do this quick video was to give you a reference. So from this one, I'm going to take a quick measurement. It is about 65 degrees in the basement today, and I am measuring across the brown to the black, and there's your value, 0.9. And again, when this thing starts to heat up, it's naturally going to change. Resistance is going to go up, but the static state in this temperature in my brand new seat heater element is slightly less than 1 ohm. Well, it's currently not going to be pulling 12 volts, 14 volts thereabouts. It would make that what? 14 volts, 1 amp, make it about 14 amps. That's a lot. So this is actually going to maybe initially fire up, but then it's going to increase its resistance because of the heat, and it's going to bring that down. So anyway, that's a quick reference. If you wanted to know the current resistance value for the temperature, all right, because the 2 yellow wires are going to be for the resistance feedback of the temperature. All right, right about there. Come on, Dan. At about 65 degrees, that's what I'm getting, about 5,300 ohms, or 5.3 k ohms if you're looking at that, but that's roughly what I've got, and it's like 65 here in the basement. So the intent of this video was just a quick point of reference, so you have something if you're trying to do the diagnosis. What is normal? Like I said, I had our time finding it to give myself a point of reference. So there you go. That's all we're doing today. We'll get back to the seat, replacing the element, and we'll do a video on that. But thanks for dropping in.